Hey guys, back with another video today. We're gonna be playing like a Fall Guys game, and it's pretty fun, but yeah. And check out Phone Girl's new video. He reacted to week 6, and yeah, pretty much it. Yeah, see, yeah. I haven't played this game, so see, it's like Fall Guys. Okay. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Oh, I'm still gonna win. Yeah. I can't get in. I get in. Oh gosh, this is lagged. Oh, oh, can't go in. I can't. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. It is. No. She just did a 360. No way I lose. Oh guys, can we do it? Can we do it? Can we do it, guys? Yes, we qualified. Yeah, we qualified. Oh, yeah. Yes. 21 qualified. This might be hard, actually. If you guys want to play this, yeah, it's called Fall Guys Knocked Out. Knocked Out. This is like the next version of it. This is not the real game, but yeah. Yes. Oh no. Ah. Oh. Oh no. 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 Yes. I might do this. Yeah. Yo. Yo, guys, we did it. Yes. Yes. Oh yeah, we qualified. No. Get away. Yes. 11 qualified. Okay. GG's. GG's people. Oh, I love this one. Well, I haven't played this, but you know, I played this on the PS4. It's like the real one though. Guys, can we do it? Like in the comments. Can we do it? Oh, no, you're not touching me. You're not touching me, ball. You're not touching me, ball. You ain't touching me. You ain't touching me. You ain't touching me. Let's go. You ain't touching me. Yay! Oh my god. My channel. Yo, we're actually gonna do this, guys. One person has to win. Oh, no. No. Let me go. Let me go. Look at this. It won't even let me. Bruh, somebody's gonna qualify before me. Wait, I'm all by myself. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. Oh my god. I won. Oh my god. None of your business.
Ew.
Guys, we won. Yes, sir. Yo! We got a winner. It's me, guys. Yeah. Oh, yeah, 300 gems? Oh. I thought we'd get more, but yeah. Guys, I don't know. Should we play one more? Oh, guys, next video I'm gonna do Whack Your Boss. Guys, bye.